is known as the Member Showcase. This is 100% built by members.
Built by members.
Again, as I noted earlier,
In
some people's
Colorado.
got hundreds of hours in some of these
Rocky Mountain
devices.
Pyro Field.
These are showcases where we focus on some of our local expert builders who go all in for the love of fireworks. Tonight we have several very special shells, large multi-breaks, typical of those traditional made in Italy or Malta.
Ooh, I love
We also
that.
have large ball shells, bigger than you might have ever seen in a public display.
Bigger than
And of course, my personal favorite, some rockets.
Yeah.
Who likes rockets? Come on, let's hear for rockets. So watch yourself. Sometimes they find the way to the crowd.
Especially Nick's.
Yeah. Especially Nick's.
So our first shell.
I don't know which direction these are coming from, so I'm just gonna sit here and hold it. Still got a big fire going right here. This one's gaining ground.
Okay, I'm on fire now. Blue comments.
Alrighty, our first shell is by Me Nitro Nick. It's a 5-inch buttered popcorn with inner petal of white strobe and crackle pistol with a rising tail. Sorry, John Bone, no bottom shots on this one. Chris Max got you.
Yeah.
Wow, cool. Meh.
Farmer Flash's cylinder shell number 1 is next up.
Next.
This is a 6-inch cylinder, single break.
Okay.
Very nice, Dave. Very nice. Coming all the way down.
All the way down. All the way down to the ground. All 3 of them hit the ground. Even that one.
And we do have another fire out in the weeds. Dave, 6-inch cylinder shell number 2 coming at you. Watch out.
Beautiful.
Wow.
And Dave, that's real
Absolutely
nice.
beautiful.
Dave, cylinder shell number 3, 6-inch single break coming at you again.
Love hearing that launch out of the tube.
Nice, dude.
Very nice, Dave. All right, we got some shells from Dash. He's going to tell you what's in his shells.
Hey, Dash! Dash for president.
Purple Haze.
Purple haze. Oh yeah. That was sick.
Nice.
That was
Way to
super cool.
separate.
Well, that one was actually called the old bow tie, the old ring
bow
bow tie. So this one's called Purple Haze.
Let's go. Take 2 on Purple Haze. Heck yeah. Huge rig. Beautiful.
This next one's called 8 Hours of Rolling Stars. This next one's called 7 Hours of Rolling Stars.
Wait. Come down. Where's the brake? Where's the brake? Where's the brake? Oh, it didn't break. Maybe. Maybe. Nope.
And then next
Okay.
up, I don't have who did this. Green with a willow ring.
Who's got green with a willow ring? Unknown size. Christians? Yeah, Christians. Green with a silver. Green with a willow ring. Christian.
Is that the dedication?
The Christian, is that the dedication shell? Nope. The Nishiki. Okay.
Then cheeky.
Let's see Christian shell.
Ooh,
It's a nice mine.
I'm loving that. Oh man. Beautiful.
That.
God, look at that hang.
It was a nice surprise on the bottom there, Christian. Next up is Steve Journey's Rockets.
Rockets. Where are they? Where are they? Where are the rockets? I'm gonna guess they're from the same place these wires were going off from.
All right, it's Steve Journey's Fall Festival Flight of Rockets. It's going to be a fantastic fuckery of flying. Fantastic.
That doesn't sound good.
Sorry.
Sounds entertaining to me.
The rockets are going
No, sorry.
Oh, there's a rocket. First launch.
Whoa,
Boom. A big circle. Yeah. Guys are going off perfect. Oh, I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon.
Again,
jinxed that
launch
shit.
lips. These are rockets.
One definitely exploded on the ground.
Right on, Steve Journey. Beautiful rockets, man.
They were.
Beautiful.
Even the one that launched off the ground.
the rockets are not good.